Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afan. So guys, I'm currently at the multi-level car park here at the International Airport, Lagos, Nigeria. And in my last video, I brought you to the International Airport just to show you, the exact building that will be demolished to make way for a new construction. And today I'm back here to actually go into the building. So I'm going to be taking you inside the building to show you what inside looks like. That's the building there. The Murtala Muhammed International Airport. So let's go to the Terminal 1. That's the main terminal. So I'll show you what it looks like inside. This multi-level car park is actually not that old. So it actually looks old, but I remember it hasn't been for long. I constructed it. See, one of the things wrong with the airport is that the lifts are not working. Some of them are not working. This one is down, this one is down. This one is blocked up. I guess I have to use the stairs. Our problem in this country is lack of maintenance. They build something and then they don't maintain it and then it gets very bad. This is the ground. So again, this is the multi-level car park I just came out from, and beside it is the new terminal, which is the Terminal 2 that was recently built. It was built in the last 2-3 years. I've also shown you what inside of this one looks like, but today I'm taking you inside the main terminal, which is the most recognizable terminal of any Nigerian airport. The Murtala Muhammed International Airport. Let's go and see what inside looks like. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. From what I noticed, I think more people use the Terminal 2 nowadays more than the Terminal 1. So it means they're already making plans to actually move everything to the Terminal 2 while they demolish the Terminal 1. See. Guys, I won't lie to you. This is one of the ugliest airports I've seen anywhere in Africa. Some time ago, I showed you what the airport in Dakar, Senegal looks like. The Blaise Diagne Airport, both the interior and the exterior. And some countries are not playing in Africa. The airport was superb. But let me show you what this Nigerian airport looks like, our main airports for that matter. Ah, see this fine dog. Well done. Thank you.
So here we are inside the airport. The first things people complain about is the heat, and I can confirm that the ACs are not functioning. Most parts of this airport look dilapidated. Let's go around and see what the airport looks like. This airport was built in 1979, but in the early 2000s it started running down, and there's been a lot of complaints about the airport since then.
The departure wing. You can see some of the airline counters are not open. It's obvious they are already making plans.
So the Nigerian government is undertaking a major renovation of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport Terminal 1, which is the main terminal. The project has a budget of about 712 billion naira, which is approximately $500 million. The renovation aims to modernize the terminal, improve passenger facilities, and enhance operational efficiency. The project is expected to take about 22 months. That's almost 2 years, and includes both interior and exterior upgrades. Please let me know what you think about the 712 billion naira budget. Like, do you think it's a lot? Because there's been a debate about whether the money is too much or not. Some people have compared it to the cost it took to build some airports in the West. Which personally I don't think we should be doing, because except the airport is going to look like the airport in Singapore, or at least the Heathrow airport. I think we should compare it in terms of cost to other airports in the African sub-region. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section.
The lights are bad. Some of the lights are bad. There are fewer people in this terminal, unlike before. So guys, you've seen what the inside of the main terminal of the Murtala Muhammed International Airport looks like. So that's what will be actually be stripped off. So we are still not sure, even though the Minister of Aviation said that, you know, this one will be demolished. We're not sure to what extent it will be demolished, but we only have to wait and see. Please, if you love this video, please like it, share, and leave a comment below. Tell me what you think about the plans to demolish and reconstruct the airport. That will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.